If you are running AI agents and have not audited what they are costing you, stop everything, because here is the wild part. You do not need a large operation for the bill to spiral. A modest agent setup with the wrong configuration can easily cost hundreds a month in API fees. Today, I am showing you how to slash that cost dramatically using Hostinger's new Managed OpenClaw product. By the end of this, you will know how to get a private, always-on agent system running at a fraction of what most people pay. My name is Paul James. I help freelancers, consultants, and solo operators build service businesses using the most cost-effective AI tools available. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Let me start with why the default setup is such a financial trap. When most people discover AI agents, they grab the most capable model. Then they point it at everything. That feels smart. More capability means better results, right? The problem is that premium models charge per token on every single interaction. Every heartbeat check your agent runs, every memory lookup, every background task it completes overnight. None of that is free, it is all metered. If your agents run continuously, the tab builds around the clock, whether you are awake or not. This is the default billing spiral. Well-intentioned automation quietly becomes a subscription you forgot you signed up for. Here is where things get wild. The same output you pay premium rates for can often come from a lighter model, at a fraction of the cost. The real optimization is not about doing less with your agents. It is about routing the right tasks to the right cost tier. Research and browsing tasks do not need the most expensive model. Routine check-ins do not need the most expensive model. Only your most complex reasoning tasks actually benefit from top-tier processing. When you build that structure intentionally, the savings are not marginal. We are talking reductions of 70, 80, even 90% off your baseline API spend. That is the framework I call the Cost Triage Stack. You sort every agent task by complexity before it ever hits an API. Lightweight tasks go to lightweight models. Only the work that genuinely demands deep reasoning goes to a premium tier. The rest gets handled cheaply and efficiently without any drop in real output quality. The Cost Triage Stack separates the operators who build sustainable AI businesses from those who burn out. One group scales, the other quits. Now here is where Hostinger's Managed OpenClaw completely changes the math on all of this. Running OpenClaw on your own machine carries real risk, security vulnerabilities, connection drops, and overnight workflows that stall without warning. Running it on a self-managed VPS is better, but that introduces its own overhead. You are managing server configs, handling updates, and troubleshooting problems. That eats into the time you were supposed to be saving. Dedicated hardware like a Mac Mini carries an upfront cost. Most solo operators do not want that barrier just to get started. Managed OpenClaw through Hostinger removes every one of those friction points. This is a dedicated one-click deployment built specifically for OpenClaw, not a general-purpose server you configure yourself. A purpose-built product that provisions your complete agent environment automatically. You click once, your agents are live. No terminal commands, no configuration files, no server management of any kind. And the monthly cost makes the old alternatives genuinely hard to justify. Stay with me, because the next part is where the cost picture gets even better. Hostinger built something into Managed OpenClaw that attacks one of the biggest hidden costs in running agents. The platform comes with AI credits pre-integrated at the infrastructure level. That means no separate OpenAI account to create and maintain. No Anthropic API keys to generate or rotate. Everything routes through the Hostinger dashboard. You top up directly. You monitor usage in one place. No third-party accounts required to get started. The unified billing through Hostinger means one number to look at. That is what your agents cost to run. Simple as that. I remember feeling completely overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. API keys from 5 different providers, separate billing dashboards, no single view of what I was actually spending. And here is another cost most tutorials never account for. Most agent setups require you to add a separate search API key from a third-party provider. That is another account and another variable cost. Managed OpenClaw ships with live web intelligence built in. Your agents can pull real-time data the moment they go live, no extra setup, no separate key, no additional monthly charge attached to your operation. Here is where this gets very practical for a freelancer or small agency. Picture someone running a content research service for 5 clients. Before Managed OpenClaw, their setup looked like this. A self-managed server eating into their margin. Separate API keys for their language model and their search tool. A premium default model handling tasks that a lightweight model could process just as well. Their agent infrastructure was pushing close to $200 a month before a single deliverable was produced. They switched to Managed OpenClaw and applied the Cost Triage Stack. Their monthly infrastructure spend dropped below $20. Same output, better margin. That is the real story here. The savings are not theoretical. They come from removing unnecessary infrastructure cost, from eliminating redundant API relationships, and from routing tasks to appropriately priced models instead of defaulting to the top tier for everything. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me walk through the Managed OpenClaw setup so you know exactly what you are getting. Head to the hosting or OpenClaw page using the link in the description. You will land on the Managed OpenClaw plan. No per agent fees at any tier. Enough capacity to run multiple bots and parallel workflows simultaneously. Zero manual configuration required. Select the plan that fits your budget. Apply my coupon code at checkout. The code and the direct link are both in the description. Complete the purchase and the configuration screen appears immediately. This is where you set up your AI provider. And this is the step that directly impacts your cost structure from day one. Select the version with built-in AI credits and you bypass external API key setup entirely. Your credits are pre-linked to your installation. They synchronize automatically. After your AI provider is configured, you choose your communication channel. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord. Pick the one already inside your daily workflow. Your OpenClaw agents connect there and they stay there. They run continuously inside the environment you already use on infrastructure that stays live when you close your laptop. This part used to stress me out when I was first figuring all of this out. Back in my brother's garage with no budget or team, unoptimized API costs would have killed everything. This stuff was not optional. Most people are overpaying for agent infrastructure and they do not even know it yet. Here is one more angle worth thinking through. Beginners assume they need expensive tools before they can offer agent services to paying clients. Managed OpenClaw flips that. You stand up your private environment in a single session. You learn the core workflows over a week. Now you have a real service capability. Local businesses, coaches, and content teams all have automation problems they cannot solve themselves. You show up with a private, cost-controlled solution. That is a retainer conversation, and retainer conversations are where predictable income lives. Now, for the agency and consulting angle, you bring on a new retainer client. Your OpenClaw agents handle the research cycles and reporting summaries. They generate draft deliverables running underneath your delivery process. Your overhead stays flat, your output capacity expands significantly, the client sees faster turnaround and more thorough documentation. You experience less manual grind because your private agent environment handles volume work between your active hours. Picture what your numbers look like 60 days from now. Infrastructure costs cut down to a fraction of where they are today. Client deliverables running in the background overnight. One unified dashboard showing exactly what your agents spend. That is not a complicated outcome to reach. That is a one-click deployment and a coupon code away. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. The Hostinger link for Managed OpenClaw is in the description. My coupon code for a discount at checkout is right there alongside it. Get your cost structure right while the pricing on this product is where it is. Infrastructure this clean at this price point does not stay overlooked for long.